Hello beautiful people, this is Mario and you are watching Just Like Paradise. So, today, according to my girlfriend and her friend who both are not English speakers and they translate over, it's Happy Loy Krathong Day. Happy Loy Krathong. And I'm sure I'm saying that incorrectly. We're going to be going on the BTS and I want to take a little trip over to Asiatique because I hear it's just tremendous amount of people over at Asiatique today. They have these little boats or little pods that have a candle on it and flowers and decorated, and they put it out into the water, and it's supposed to be good luck and get rid of some of the bad mojo. Come along for the ride, shall you? Packed as I've ever seen it. I'm not sure what this is about.
And we might even be able to make some.
Oh. What are these?
So are these the ones that are biodegradable?
Yeah, edible, yeah. It's made from bread for the fish in the ocean. And all of it disposable. All of it. This size is 120, this one 160.
Oh, okay. Oh, you do the
Yeah. Look how beautiful that is.
one of those.
Lisa, where's my pizza?
Where's my pizza?
Can you juggle those? Look at the amount of people. If you look down this row here. this is the aftermath. A few have made it out to sea, to the river. It's colorful.
So, I'm not going to put my little hope in there. It's a bit hard, isn't it? Everybody's hopes and dreams.
This is a trip.
It's definitely a different boat.
Yeah. Yeah. You want to go up? Let's go up.
Excited.
Yeah, this is the boat that normally everybody just goes on and parties. Say hi, Lisa. So Lisa and I just left from Asiatique, and whoa, Hollywood. Please stop taking so many pictures of us. Paparazzi. 30 baht to go from Asiatique to the BTS station.
What a deal.
Such a deal.
Look at this, with all these lovely people.
Look at all these people. That's awesome. And we got some great music going on.
Oh, they love the music. Yeah.
We're gonna start dancing here pretty soon.
I'm dancing in my chair.
Well, that's all, folks. You can see some of the lanterns over there. Not many. It's quite difficult, and most of them went up underneath the pier. But someone's gonna get their wish tonight. Sure got a lot of them.